Sculpt. What are we doing today? All right, we're doing 25 Highland Jacks, 15 tricep dips. We're gonna do 25 different kinds of crunches. Well, not 25 different ones, but we're gonna do 15 tabletop dead bugs, 10 leg drops, and then we're gonna finish it off with a 45-second wall sit. All right, you guys ready? Make sure you have warmed up. Make sure you guys warm up before you do these, and make sure you stretch after. All right, Highland Jacks, your arms just come out to the side while your feet are going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, triceps. Hang on, hang on. Oh my word. Nice job, you guys. Okay. This was day 5. I'll have some new ones in store for you tomorrow, day 6. All right, make sure you guys stretch. I'll see you online. Thank you guys for doing this with me. 30 days slim and sculpt challenge. We got this. Woo! Nice job.